The first question is, they enjoy blank basketball every weekend. The correct answer is, playing. The next question is, she was tired, blank she continued to work. The correct answer is, but. The next question is, she has been working here blank last year. The correct answer is, since. The next question is, she is allergic to cats, so she always blank when she visits her aunt's house. The correct answer is, sneezes. The next question is, despite the heavy rain, they blank went for a walk in the park. The correct answer is, still. The next question is, are you interested blank learning a new language? The correct answer is, in. The next question is, she blanked the dishes when the phone rang. The correct answer is, was doing. The next question is, the ancient ruins were overgrown with dense, lush blank. The correct answer is, foliage. The next question is, the students were studying in the library when the fire alarm blank went off. The correct answer is, suddenly. The next question is, they blank going to the beach tomorrow. The correct answer is, are. The next question is, if I blank you, I would take that job offer. The correct answer is, were. The next question is, if I blank enough money, I would buy that car. The correct answer is, had. The next question is, we have been waiting for the bus blank 30 minutes. The correct answer is, for. The next question is, they have already blanked their homework. The correct answer is, finished. The next question is, the woman blank called you as my boss. The correct answer is, who? The next question is, this is the blank book I have ever read. The correct answer is, best. The next question is, I avoid blank late at night. The correct answer is, eating. The last question is, we blank see the manager tomorrow, but we are not sure yet. Can you answer this? Comment below.